how to access all the history of the transactions that you have done using the UTS mobile application. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can access all of the past transactions that you have done on the UTS mobile application. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is open up your UTS mobile application on Android or on your Apple devices. So once you will click onto this UTS mobile application, the application will start and it will give you an interface like this. Now in this interface you need to make sure that you have selected journey ticket, and in this journey ticket you can see this button that says transactions. So simply click onto this transactions button, and from here it will show you all of the transactions by default. In my case it says no transaction found because I have not done any transaction using the UTS app until now. But let's say if you want to find a particular transaction from a list of transactions, you can sort them from date. So you can type in the from date and to date, and all the transactions that lie between these dates will be fetched. Apart from that, if you only want to find the status of the recharges or the recharge history, you can find it within this. And if you want to find the booking history or the booking transactions, you can find it under this particular section. So using these three sections you can find the particular transaction that you are looking for within your UTS application. So that was all for this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.